Electricians are very responsible work, and in order to carry out this work in a short time, special tools are needed. These tools allow you to work with great precision. These are special pliers that will help an electrician work with wires. This tool can both split the wire and cut it and twist it. This is a special tool for an electrician. It allows you to work with wires. This tool helps you to work with several wires at the same time, which allows you to do difficult work quickly. These specialized automatic devices for working with thick electrical cables of large cross-section. They allow them to be cleaned and connected to other parts. Electricians are courageous people and can work at great heights. For this they need a safety cable, which ensures the electrician and will not let him break. This specialized technique is designed to move along high-rise wires in order to be able to maintain and repair them. The device moves directly along the wires on wheels. This electrical device helps to prepare the walls for laying electrical wires. The device cuts the wall and plaster and wires are inserted into the resulting hole. This handheld device helps to twist the wire. In this twisted form, the wire is more convenient to store. Universal nail hammer. Helps to hold nails, drive them in and remove nails that are no longer needed. The device also helps to tighten the bolts. Such a tool can be useful to any master. These pliers will not be able to cut through any wire or armature, but will also cut through thick armature with ease. This is a device for attaching any product to a wall, to wood, to metal. With a shock wave, the screw is mounted in a matter of minutes. There are interesting moments in the work of electricians. Now you see such moments. Living electricity is fascinating. To work with electricity, electricians have special gloves that protect them from electric shock.